Ain't no boy, one nigga ass there. I said,
get mine. You ain't any get mine. Disqualified. Niggas, you play fake.
Yeah, check. Look, who's the baddest in the game and who's the illest? Who fucking wish the most and always kill the shit? If these rappers cap, these rappers lame, and who's the realest? The most wanted behind the mask. Oh yes, I'm him.
yo.
Sorry, you wanna present the shit?
Yeah,
I'm sorry, sometimes I'm sorry, crap. You do the shit, man.
Yo, what up, y'all, boy? This is your boy Legends, and I'm representing two legendary legends on this battle. Ileno Ben, one ring, So right here on my right hand side, Peter Ufredi. Want to introduce someone?
You let the wrong motherfucking dog out.
Let's go. Fellow friends. And on my left, Peter Ulas Wanda.
Yo. Fuck battle rap, you can give me my guns back. The streets blood packed in the city of Bugrats. Respect the battle. This ain't no boy. One nigga chair. I said, one nigga chair. Hey yo. Lokhu kuyayifanela nje kuzoba isikhashana ngoba ngazuthi ukufaka amafutha ulayitha isitofu uthosa amaqanda. Kuyinkinga impela kunokubanda kwazise phela ngibhekane nenkwamba. Kuningi engakufakazela ama-pimples, ama-specs, i-rasta. Obviously you gotta need that shit cause akwazi ukuthi ubhekane nesibuko sibange nomama nibange nekama. Kuyinkinga ukuba umfana odlule esikhatsini cause kuba isikhashana. Ukuconsa kubhoboka i-under. Petlisha kimi sekuyinto endala abake bawina ngaphe kwami mhlambe bambalwa. Mase ngicheck inamba o -0 kwaku Freddy Krueger nali Krueger lashintsha lashaya iminyaka selihero. In fact ngathi umjita mele athi ukushintsha igama, you ain't Freddy Hero, maybe you Freddy Dildo. Bathi kati la fele ziko. Kuningi akubanga nokukhothama, akubanga nokufudumala, kwaba ukushwaqa kwekhanda, kwabaleka nomkhathi, kwaqala kwanetha kwabanda. Ain't nothing like gun bars over joke bars. Cause manje mangakitaza ungahleka uzilale ngomkhaba. Proud to tell you the honest truth, angipreparanga. Nepena alivumanga. Iphepha lijabulile kodwa inki awuphumanga. Ngivele ngahlanya ngayinkantinela ngabuka isibhakabhaka stila kokho ukucabanga. Plensizwa ngoba zonke itrata ngaze ngayibamba. Kwenzakalani mjita? Mhlambe yamenza or mhlambe ukulikho kuyinkinga. Time, man.
Yo. Let's go. We got it all.
Respect the battle. This ain't no boy. One nigga chair. I said, one nigga chair.
Hey yo.
Yeah.
Is this how you really chose to resurrect? By looking all tough on stage like you can still do it, so you both know there is an act. But then why are you going off the scripts? Because now I'm gonna have to cut the shit. Because this is not one of your favorite moments when you have a brand new cigarette lights, a pack of cheap cigarettes, a pocket Oxford dictionary to put your vocabs, and a very blunt blade to cut your crack in 2 pieces. I'll make the air around you crack into pieces because when I shoot, I aim straight and I don't miss. But then these bullets are wasted in the skull of a dead man. They should have given me Lucky Love and chocolate. Cause for these cops, I'm too ill, I might infect the mic. Infect the mic is how I infect the mind.
I know.
So in this age of civilization, against the former caveman, I can lose. A god in the flesh of a man, I am Zeus. This is the first time in a long time I last wondered, like, how much money would I make if I can build a museum and put Last Wonder? Cause this nigga old as hell. He's like 02 raps dinosaur. He started rapping back in the 60s, but still sag his pants like he's 16. It's 2026 and he's trying to convince himself that he's 6 still. All he's managed to prove is that it's faker than anything you can buy from a China store. Thinking this was gonna be a street fight? Nah, nigga, show me some techniques. Show me how you'd survive fighting a ninja with a mitre sword. Or feel exactly how you'd feel if you accidentally put your hand in a full operational mitre sword. Yeah, I see you. And your obsession of being a devil, now you're trying to fight a god. But then when I get going, so if I were you, I expect no mercy from a psycho serial killer whose crime scenes get more messy.
Talk that shit, nigga.
Don't let these threats fool you. I come to battles less threatful, bro. Don't let fate fool you. What you recognize as the sun might be a hair to my kingdom. I mean, that bitch ain't that faithful, bro. You see that lights you sing at the end of the tunnel? It's from the fire of God prepared to burn your ass. Cause though this is land of pen, but you ain't got the privilege to make that choice. You're the black man, I'm the captured government. In my presence, you don't have a voice. I'm nothing like Sasko, Alban, your PP. I was bred. I said, I'm nothing like Sasko, Alban, your PP. I was bred different. Even my silence be making noise. Time.
I respect the battle. This ain't no fun. One nigga check. I said, one nigga check. Hey yo. Hey yo.
Yo, keep it down, my friend.
Hey yo.
Yo.
Ngazuthi nezulu lisheshe laguqubala. Kwazise phela iround yesibili usuku satisfy inkwamba. Kuyoqala kube ukuthi kuba mponjwana ngokuthi out nayo bekumele ithi ukuchama. Kubhlungu mangicabanga. Ngiyahlukumezeka ngaphakathi kwekhanda ukuthi ngamfaka kanjani lo bhoti oyimpatha. Nangaphakathi mhlambe awuqualify ukuba insizwa. Ingaphakathi awuqualify uyabhibhidla asikwazi nokuyizwa. Empeleni eceleni noAdam bamemeza bathi kuphi na wavuka esikhotheni. Ungayikhohlisi ngeBhayibheli ngoba abafana njengawe abalifundi abafundanga abakwazi ukuguqa beshisa impepho ebhenywayo entabeni. Kuyinkinga ukubonana nensizwa ezwana nokukama.
What are we talking about?
Ngiyahlekisa ukuthi nangakini awudumanga. Noma ungalivala. Umphimba uzokuhluka amagama azowakhipha, awazukubukwa, awuzukuziwa. Akekho mhlawumbe into yakho othanda ukuyifuna. Ngisho ungafaka ama reels awuzukubhukhwa. Eyavukuthanda ukubukwa. Uyaduma okwesibili zenza iKruger masingagoqa kuningi ongekubuye mangifuna. Ungazi uveza amazinyo lokho uyiduduza. Ngono nje namhlanje it's face to face indoda ngiyayibuka angizwani nokulokho ngiyigodla. Iskipa simhlophe qwa. Ubaba uqala kuqala qoba amaqatha athathe konke okuyinkukhu akushiyela ikhanda. Ngisane shosho ukuthi amaphimpula afakazi ukuthi usadla ngolidala. Amakinati. Amakinati. Indlovu. Imvubu.
Let's go!
Ay bra mangihambanga ngisheshe ngajika ngawo nguqu. Okulandelayo ibhokisi umgodi, isidumbu. Ngobe ngishilo ngunguqu. Second round ngisuke ngiza kakhulu. Ngicabanga ukuthi uzaza Suze umamkhulu. Time.
Respect the fellow. This ain't no fun. One nigga chair. I said, one nigga.
Hey yo.
Let's go.
Hey yo. Now I ain't talking no Erika when I say Los now you deserve it part two. Hey yo. Banokuthi udope ngakubo mabemthiya njengoshandu so please ngiyocela ngangikhuzi. Mangimfaka iphantsi ezomhambisa phansi ngebuzi uza ngobuso vele uqalekile uzothola iluzi and yes I am the type that kick a man when he's down. What the fuck do you expect to put a fighter in the ring with a clown? I'll pitch you till you can't breathe. I mean, Fandacho don't like I can't read. I'm a rap read. You're looking at everything the rap need. I mean, you're looking at everything the rap need. Fuck guns, I brought spears like Bretney. Cradle to the grave, I kick niggas like Jet Li. Bullet to the brains and my scripts are equally deadly. You know the heads up, what? Uyobhala uqinisepeni nike qhawe lomjito obhekene naye akazwile well fuck that. La uqhunyiswa ngempama thile deaf earwax. Awusa. Aniphuthuma isivathi yathi inka smell earwax but not more than I smell fear. Can't even feed on it. His heart racing. You might want to take a bet on it. Cause his dependent ass is feeling incomplete without his clan against the nigga that been rolling on his own like a barrel wheel. I'm coming straight at you, but not like in those flashing memories of your dark past when you used to lick dicks for a quick fix. You had 6 pimps. You only pending today whip with your full nicks. You know what they say about old dogs and new tricks. I got nothing I can teach you. I got nothing I can teach you. Not even to read between the lines that Boom Bap Warehouse is doing you a favor. Deep down, they really want to teach you. Where are they? Where are they now? On the other hand, my niggas trust me enough to believe that from ashes I can rise this phoenix. But then the thing is, some motherfuckers are better off dead than you're one of them. The only reason I agreed to come to this battle is so I have my own memory of your tragic end. I'ma reverse your death, I'm sending you back in the back. Like my 2 beautiful girls, Zelela. Ukubona impakamo yalosina izinza like pubic hair. Ngidala unobangela and give a fuck last. I said like my 2 beautiful girls engikuzelela. Ukubona impakamo yalosina izinza like pubic hair. Ngidala unobangela and give a fuck last. Cause Sky is the only female MC we acknowledge. And the rest of wonders, those are a bunch of damn bitches with pipeline dreams thinking they could be her. Time.
Respect the fellow. This ain't no fun. One nigga chair. I said, one nigga chair.
Our legend. That's Wanda.
Yo, Binik, it goes to our legend, to Last Wonder.
Let's go.
It's not saying it.
Legendary for real.
Go. Let's go.
For real, bro, for real. Legend for real. Big up, bro.
Okay, let's change it and switch. Fuck better rap, you can give me my drugs back. The speech blood pack.
That's all I came
in
here
a
for.
city of regrets.
Yo.
Let's go.
Vele ngusinawana. Hlala ngaphansi kwama pipeline ngihlehle ngifohloze ngincenge ngaphansi kwesihlahla amalithiliyana. Mhlambe lokho ubuke wakucabanga ukuthi umjida wavela emafonini ekhala ethi okunye kwaswela impilo yakhe eqhubha ngenqola ethi kusa kwamthola impilo kwavele kwafa. Ngicabanga ukuthi le ndaba yakhe yafana. Namhlanje ngizokugqilaza. Ngizoyidla yonke lenkomo ekusiba inyama. Ngikushiyele kwamaqubana. Inkukhu uyayithanda, igalikuni uyalincanywa. Angisaphathiki nje okwethanga. Mina ngidlela ibhece.
Hawu.
Sidididi lezi sinama-dread. Mina nje ngizoyidlela ibhece. Isidididi lezi sinama-dread, showcase sifike kwangqingetshe. bathi mawonile kumele ujeze mawuboshiwe kumele ugwetshwe mawukuthi uyimpatha engakhomithanga yathathwa yabalwa hey kumele ubhekelwe udedelwe uphi umfundisi khona ezofunda amazwi okugcina kuthela inhlabathi ningi engingakusho mzala wami ukuthi nje uqhanyelwa njalo usuzuyafa ungalithwanga kancane nje ucansi mhlawumbe uyandlala bese uyalala iyona definition oyaziyo ucansi Njengoba ngishila ngibhalanga konke ngikusho qhamuke nje ngemzuzwana ngakeleza ngaphasa learn or burn engazi usawufundanga sekusishoti nje umlilo bese uyasha ngazi uthi la kuyi disaster and catastrophe ngesingisi buka nje namafenzi akho ambalwa ngawabala amanye aseyaside stepper ezangapha phuzisisa amanzi kuze nesikhwehlela sisukuzinza siyoshaya inkaba awawaphuza ngempela umuntu omdala Yobe ngishilo angizwani nokuzumana ngiqonda nje indoda njengasenqome kudala phuza mdala siyazi ningi inyongo ufuna ukuphalaza ungazenzi mina ngisasipithi sengiyahlanza ningi sekuyacaca zikhuthele ihlahla ziyakubuwe ziyakhuthwazwa i-carbon dioxide igcwele umkhaba awusakwazi ngisho nokucrasha ketama fasa isingisi uyasibhibhidla isilungu uyasibhidilisha ihawu ungalibiza kwibheshu ungafitha ubuke washo wathi mhlawumbe mfethu ngideserve ibhadu. This is a rebound going back to you when unedread ubani umaskandi nendlamu wena phela ngathi wile stage esihlezi sihleli kanjena sithi gamgamu. I'm sure namaphimpuli awasanyamalali phela indlwabu. Isikhathi singahamba singaqhubeka kuze kuse nakusasa silokho sirayima phethini ngiyayakha mhlawumbe wena usaka grade 1 usahlanganisa upatanisa ongwaqa mhlawumbe nalokho kwamhlolo umzala ingakho engaphasanga instead of qala ngo A waqala ngo O wathi E wathi angazi kanjani uma ungabalanga ngo A itabane zisho njalo uma ngena ngapha. Let's go. Hey mchita. Lufethu nolwakedubi bayafana. Kunjubani le ndoda yafeka umgqumeni yathi necumpa laphana. Ngazi ukuthi cabashe niyafana. Okokuqala wethi isikhathi sakho wabhala, okwesibili wamosha isikhathi sakho wareheza okwamanga. Mina ngakudala ngasejwayelani mophethe intaba ithe ukuba inqwaba ngishanga nkintele bese ngiyayithatha. Mina nginkedama nezibhamu ngiyayiphatha. Immese cha ngiyayisaba. Because mayihlinzi igazi liyaqhasha ngesikibhe simhlophe eqwasi yangcola sithi uqwala. Learn or burn mhlawumbe nami ngifundile ukuthi next time angobhala. Kodwa bengasiboni isidingo mangibhekana nalaba abangazwani nokucabanga bejulisise before bethi ukubhala i-dictionary mhlawumbe kuzomela ukuthi ukuyithanda ngikufundele ngolidala ngakudlela ngolukamama unyoko ngangamphatha. You a rape experiment. I'm sure nokuzala wena unyoko akakuthandanga. Time.
That's time. That's time. You got time.
Respect the fellow. This ain't no fun. One nigga check. I said, one nigga check.
Hey yo.
Yo.
Hey yo.
Yeah. Talk that shit.
You wanna know what I hate more than rapping for fun? You know what I hate more than rapping for fun and no fans? Is pattern rappers who still trying to get recognized, or some street bombs with so-called sick rhymes where they talk about big guns, but in reality, they're like Catholic churches and Katnan. It just don't make sense, let alone rants. But I still take them on flawlessly, though honestly. I only wanna make friends if R is, I only wanna make friends if F is silent, you get it?
What?
Well, that's your own fucking problem, because I ain't here to clarify bars. I'm here to crucify lust with bars that make Jehovah wanna kiss Lucifer's ass. A prodigal son that coming back to a home that's not what it was. You're probably feeling lost, Wanda. Really, how you expect to win when even your first name is Lost, Wanda? You just made the biggest mistake and your life is what it costs, Wanda. Ubhekene nomnikazi wesihlalo sobukhosi basecoast, Wanda. You see this here? This part here is where your casket gets closed, Wanda, but not by an accident. The final destination is 6 feet deep, but not by an accident. Just the same lesson that you can evade fate. See, I can let you win this battle under few terms and one condition. You go to rehab and come back to give me a rematch. Don't flatter yourself though. I ain't doing that because I like you. It's for my own reputation. Because right now it seems unfair. You battling me and your addiction. But then we are the same, you and I. Though there's a slight difference, like a 0 and an O. You can't expect not to drown us up as like Freddy Hero with the flows. I've been saying that it's not that dope wise to provoke me. Cause I'm too dope, even this crackhead here think he can smoke me. I'm a choper, I don't step on stage with no jokes be. Use a piece of meat I can swallow with no fear, you might choke me. Tell me something, man. How many fuckers should I kill so you can understand how much I fucking hate them? Clearly I'm a bigot, a barcode, with more lines than a barcode. Ukubulala makatik mina kuzona indaba zayizolo. I started betting my umbilical cord in my mom's womb as a zygote. This is not what you anticipated when you said you want to see what I got? Well, what I got is maximum security bars with... Yo, what's up?
Yo.
Appreciate the time. I don't better be.
You know we bring in the best, my boy.
I like that.
That's what. So the shit, good.